Flux Trends Ideation card deck is a brand new offer from Flux Trends, and what it allows you to do is to play with the future. So what's in the box? First of all, we have 48 trend cards consisting of 48 of the top trends that we at Flux Trends believe are going to be impacting on all businesses over the next few years. The trends have been helpfully divided into 6 different suites, each one corresponding to one letter in the acronym TRENDS that we at Flux Trends use to categorize the trends that we are tracking. T refers to trends relating to technology, R for retail and commerce-based trends, E for economic trends, N for natural world-based trends and the natural environment, D for diplomacy and geopolitics related trends, and S for socio-cultural related trends. So you really do have you covered across the full spectrum to explore and play with the future. But not only have we put together 48 different trends, we've also put together 8 different games that allow you to play with all of those trends and to use them to pull out product opportunities or to spot risks that might be impacting on your business. So of course, you're most welcome to play with the future with your deck of cards by yourself,